Today I have a dishwasher that is not draining. It's an old Kenmore dishwasher. Pulled the impeller out and nothing seems to be blocking. It's freely spinning. Everything seems to be okay. Then it dawned on me what could be the problem. And I haven't seen it yet, but I bet that is the problem. What it is, I was just inspecting the drain out here. There's a new incinerator or garbage disposal. I can bet that there is a tab here that you need to break for the flow to happen. And I'm pretty sure whoever installed this did not break the tab, and that's why it's backflowing. Let's undo this and figure it out. All right, all I have to do is loosen this clamp and the hose comes off. And we'll take a peek inside, and as suspected, there it is, that little plastic flap. This is there for places where if you don't have a dishwasher, water doesn't come out, and that seals it. If you have a dishwasher, you need to break that tab out so that the drain from the dishwasher flows into the garbage disposal or the incinerator and gets into your drain at that point. All right, let's just do that. Just stick a screwdriver or anything in there and then hit it. One nice punch. It should fall into the garbage disposal. Some other models, like the newer incinerators, have a little cap like this that you need to twist open and pull. It's kind of like a screw type. As you can see, it uses the same wrench that comes with the garbage disposal, which is nice. So this is another model, but in this case, it was just a breakout, and I ran the drain hose back with a high loop so that water from the sink does not back into the dishwasher. See how it's going all the way up as high as possible under the sink and then back into the dishwasher. Now we can test it. There you go. It's working perfectly fine, and that's the end of the video. Thank you for watching.